Here you see a desert gold peach, early variety. What I like about this one is that it produces very fast, so by May it should have fruit on it. And today's the first week of February and it's already blossoming. Has a lot of flowers. So that's what I like about this one. It's a low chilling hour variety. So it produces very early, well before the other varieties start to produce. Because as you can see, the other varieties, they're like that, dormant still. But this one has flowers. The only drawback of this is that if you have a very cold winter, the fruit might drop, or the flowers, because of they might freeze and it might drop the fruit. But in winters, the not too cold winters, this is the best because it produces fast and a lot of fruit. I'll let you know how it goes. This year's been pretty mild winter, so I'm looking forward to having a lot of fruit from this tree. The Desert Gold Peach variety. If you like this video, please subscribe, as I will be sharing other videos about fruit trees and plants in my backyard garden. Thank you for watching.